Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by installing Circle and signing in. This gives the app access it needs to function. Once signed in, make sure to grant camera, microphone, and notifications so features work reliably. Next, verify your account with the code you receive. This step prevents lockouts and secures your profile. After verification, connect one or two contacts or a team. This creates an immediate space to test features. These first actions get you inside the app and ready to create or join rooms right away. Once inside, tap Create Room and pick a clear name. This helps discovery and organization. Choose Privacy, public for broad reach, private for invites only, and set a duration to avoid accidental long sessions. Then configure roles. Assign hosts to manage, speakers to present, and listeners to observe. This prevents interruptions. Make decisions about recording and captions now because they affect consent and accessibility. Invite people by sharing a link or QR code and adjust audio and video quality to match. You now start the session and actively moderate. Promote speakers, mute disruptions, and manage screen shares to keep focus. Once finished, end the room and save the recording if you enabled it. This preserves content and provides a recap. Afterward, review analytics to learn attendance and engagement patterns so you improve future sessions. If something goes wrong, try these fixes. Restart the app, confirm permissions in settings, and test on another device. These steps resolve most connectivity and permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.